A dead battery can leave you stranded when you least expect it. Watch this video until the very end because I'll reveal which car jumpstarter is the best overall and offers the best value for your money. Whether you drive a compact car, SUV, truck, or diesel vehicle, a reliable jumpstarter is an essential emergency tool. This list is carefully researched to help you choose the right jumpstarter without the guesswork. I'll cover each model's power, features, real-world performance, and biggest advantages. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. GOOLOO GT4000S. A powerful 4,000-amp portable battery booster built to start virtually all 12-volt gasoline engines and diesel engines up to 10 liters. In addition to jump-starting capabilities, it features 100-watt two-way fast charging, allowing it to quickly recharge itself while also functioning as a high-speed power bank for your phones, tablets, and other USB devices. Review highlights. The GT4000S delivers fast, reliable starts even in challenging weather conditions. Its compact design, strong safety protections, and versatile charging capabilities make it an excellent emergency companion for everyday drivers. Pros: powerful 4,000-amp peak output, starts all gas engines and up to 10-liter diesel, 100-watt two-way fast charging, compact and portable design, advanced safety protection system. Number 4. WOLFBOX MV24. A feature-packed emergency tool that combines a 4,000-amp jumpstarter with a 160 psi air compressor. Designed for 12-volt vehicles with up to 10-liter gas and diesel engines, it also includes 65-watt fast charging, a bright emergency LED light, jumper cables, and an integrated tire inflator, making it much more than just a battery booster. Review highlights. The WOLFBOX MV24 is perfect for road trips and emergency preparedness. Having both a jumpstarter and portable tire inflator in one compact device makes it incredibly practical for drivers who want maximum versatility. Pros: 4,000-amp jumpstart capability, built-in 160 psi air compressor, 65-watt fast charging, bright emergency LED light, excellent all-in-one roadside tool. Number 3. NOCO Boost GB50. Delivering 1,500 amps, it can safely jumpstart 7.0-liter gasoline in 4.5-liter diesel engines, while featuring NOCO's proven ultra-safe technology, which protects against reverse polarity, sparks, and incorrect connections. It also doubles as a portable USB power bank for charging smartphones and other devices. Review highlights. The GB50 combines dependable performance with exceptional safety. It's compact, easy to use, and backed by NOCO's reputation for high-quality battery accessories, making it a great choice for everyday drivers. Pros: 1,500-amp jumpstarter, ultra-safe spark-proof technology, starts up to 7.0-liter gas and 4.5-liter diesel, compact and lightweight, functions as a portable power bank. Number 2. NOCO Boost X155. A premium 4,250-amp ultra-safe jumpstarter built for larger vehicles in demanding applications. It easily starts 10.0-liter gasoline and 8.0-liter diesel engines while utilizing NOCO's latest high-efficiency lithium technology for faster recharging and improved overall performance. Its rugged construction and advanced safety features make it an outstanding option. Review highlights. The GB155 delivers exceptional starting power and premium build quality. Its advanced battery technology allows quicker charging and dependable performance even under harsh conditions, making it ideal for serious drivers and professionals. Pros: massive 4,250-amp peak output, starts up to 10-liter gas and 8-liter diesel, advanced ultra-safe protection, fast recharging lithium technology, premium heavy-duty construction. Number 1. NOCO Boost GB70. Delivering 2,000 amps of peak power, the GB70 safely jumpstarts 8.0-liter gasoline and 6.0-liter diesel engines, making it an excellent fit for most cars, SUVs, pickup trucks, and light commercial vehicles. Like other NOCO models, it features ultra-safe technology, including spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection for worry-free operation. Review highlights. The NOCO GB70 strikes the perfect balance between power, portability, reliability, and ease of use. It provides more than enough starting power for most drivers while remaining compact enough to keep in your trunk year-round. Its proven safety features and outstanding durability make it one of the most dependable jump starters available. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing starting power, safety features, portability, durability, charging capabilities, ease of use, and overall value, the NOCO GB70 earns our best overall recommendation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description below for today's latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.